question
Yeah,
before we wrap it up?
go ahead.
Thank you, Rabbi. So, it's about the story that I mentioned before about this person that mistreated his wife in a past incarnation, and as a punishment, he has to remain single throughout his whole life in a second incarnation. So I was wondering, shouldn't there be like a second option for this person that he could go and look for a woman that is gonna pay him in kind, meaning that's a woman that is gonna be aggressive and
no, God,
give him
God
a hand.
forbid. No. We don't bring suffering upon ourselves. That's a general rule. We're not Christians, we're not other clowns, we don't do that. Right? So HaShem has in store, whatever He has in store, He's going to deliver. So what we said over the years many times, you can bring upon yourself holy suffering. So what is holy suffering? That you get up half an hour earlier to pray with a special kavanah. You do extra thing to help your friend. You understand? To drive somebody in the airport because they hardly could afford the ticket or something. I don't know. And taxi is $50, $60, or whatever. Some other things. Yes. So on this, and you suffer, and it's late, and it's early, and rainy, and this and that. Yeah, that's a holy suffering. And we learn more, and we want to sleep, and we want to do eat, and we want to do many other things, and we don't. So that's a holy suffering. But other specific, like special suffering, like physical suffering, we don't attack to ourselves. It's one thing, and the second thing, we never know why person, for example, is single. We never know. So the one of the options that he was bad to his wife in previous life. So or abusive, maybe yes, maybe no. But anyway, since we do not know, we're not prophets, we're not son of the prophets, so we have to do our shtadlus. We have to try normal efforts, exert normal efforts. It's not like call everybody. Like I probably said it was one person. So this shotgun call, he said, "Look, I don't want to work with you, and I don't want to work with people that you send." And she slammed the phone. I called back. Look, I apologize. What did I do? So this person. So he decided that he has to get married, and he would call her like every half an hour. Do you have somebody new for me? Like I don't know. And he mentioned my name also. Understand? That's too much, right? But normal efforts. You gave your resume. You did this and that. They offer you a date, and you saw that it's a potential match. Maybe no craziness, no red line, and you went to all of the matches, all of the dates. There is no problem. Yeah, you did your status, but to put yourself in that situation, absolutely not. No. Okay.
Thank you very much,
You're
Rabbi.
welcome. You're welcome.